All right, so now we've converted our open chord forms A5, D5, and E5 to movable versions of them, A5, D5, and E5. The next thing we could do is we could add one of our simple variations to each one of these chords, and I'll show you what I mean. Let's start with A5. Let's put first finger on 6th string 5th fret, third finger's on 5th string 7th fret. And what we're going to do while holding this chord is we're going to rock our pinky up to the 9th fret. Now this is not going to maybe seem possible at first, but keep after it. And what we're going to do is, and I'll show you the figure here, you'll notice that I'm not lifting my third finger off when I add pinky. I'm keeping my third finger down. Here, I'll show you this angle here. I'm adding pinky to the 9th fret of the 5th string, okay, creating the 6th degree of this A5 chord. If I played it a little more like this, it might sound more like something you've heard, but we're taking things slow right now because we're in the learning process. So the power chord, A5, we add pinky to 9th fret of the 5th string. You get that sound. Now we're going to apply this figure here, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and we're going to apply that to the D power chord, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So when we add pinky to our D5 power chord, it's going to be on the 4th string, 9th fret. Remember, we're trying to keep 6th string quiet while we're playing our root 5 power chord here. So first finger should be kind of touching that 6th string right in this area here, just kind of touching it, keeping it quiet there, not only fretting the 5th string but also touching the 6th string, so that when we play our 5th and our 4th strings and add our 6th here, that our 6th string doesn't start to take off. All right, and then of course we'll do the same thing with our E5 power chord, sliding up to 7th fret. This creates what's commonly known as a boogie pattern. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take this figure and we're going to play it over the 12-bar blues, and we'll use our old friend Mr. Drum Machine, and that's at 60 beats a minute. I'll count you in. 1 and 2, and here we go. It's up to D. Going to E, down to D, then A, then E, one more time from the top, to D, then A, let's take a break. Now that's going to hurt a little bit, especially when you're doing it slow like this. Always keep in mind when you're practicing things slowly, it is more demanding sometimes than trying to play things quickly because you're holding these notes down for longer, okay? Does that make any sense? You're holding this chord down for a long time when you're going. If I play that figure fast, I'm done, right? And I'm moving on to the next thing. So don't forget to take a break when you feel like your hand's getting a little tired. So what we've learned in this lesson is how to play a simple boogie figure over our A5, D5, and E5 chords. And what we're going to do from this point on is I think we're going to spread out into various other types of rhythm patterns. And I would also invite you at this point in time to slip on over into the how to play a solo section of the blues module. So I will see you guys at the next lesson. Take care.